this is your girl, Miss Curly May. Today I'm going to be showing you the products that I use on my hair to help with heat damage. Okay, as I would have mentioned in my previous video, I do have low porosity hair as well as some heat damage from straightening my hair. And I actually have bleach ends. I don't know if you guys could see the color. If it picks up, it's like a golden brown. I used to have it red. I'll post a picture of that somewhere at the bottom here so that you can see how long my hair was with the red color. And oh my god, don't get me wrong, I love color. I love the effects and the different looks that it's gonna give you, but sometimes our hair does pay for it in the end. So I'm gonna show you my favorite product to use, and that is the Aphogee. This is the shampoo for damaged hair, and it cleanses gently, restores shine, helps strengthen hair, and normalizes the pH. It is especially recommended by hair that has been damaged by heat appliances, color treating, relaxing, bleaching, or perming. So I'm going to show you exactly the effects that I get once I use this, and then I also follow up with a Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor. Now, I know a lot of people are scared of using protein on your hair. I do not recommend that you use protein every time you wash your hair, but I do recommend that you at least implement a protein treatment once within the month. Okay? Like I said, it will help to restore your curls as well as bring the normal pH back to your hair. So guys, let's get right into it. So here, as you can see, I'm just wetting my hair. I'm applying water all through my hair. And then I now begin to add my shampoo. Like I said, this is the Aphogee shampoo for damaged hair. Now, I know it looks like a lot. I don't know about you guys, but I like a lot of products. My hair, yes, it may appear to be thin, but it is very thick and it sucks up product. So the only way I think something is done right is if I have a lot of product. So the more product, the better my hair is gonna be. So guys, shampoo, wash, scrub, all that good stuff. Make sure I'm working my shampoo in a ladder from root straight to the tips. So next I'm going to apply my Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor, and it's supposed to add strength and softness in one quick step and effective against heat and chemical damage. So guys, I'm going to squeeze about a half of this into my palm. I'm going to work this from my root straight to the end of my hair, and then I'm going to cover my hair, and then we're going to come back in about 2 minutes to rinse this out. Now it does stay in severe cases, you can leave it in for 5 minutes. So you know what, we are going to leave it in for 5 minutes. But if you have severe breaking problems, they recommend the 2-step protein treatment. Now I would have done the 2-step protein treatment, I would say the ending part of July, so I'm not going to do that until probably at the end of this month. Okay, so let's go.
That's a lot, but I like a lot. And my hair loves a lot.
So, let's go. Let's just hope more product means better results. Okay? So I'm almost done. I'm just going to apply a little bit more around the edges of my hair. I'm going to get my thermal cap, and we will be back in 2 minutes. So see you guys. I'm back, guys. Well, technically I'm not back, but I'm back. I just wanted to draw my brows, give my keratin some time to sit on my hair before we get into styling, and so that you guys can see exactly how the Aphogee worked for my curls. So just give me a few minutes. I'm going to draw my brows because, I don't know about y'all. Leaving your brows home is like leaving your wallet home, and we ain't about to do that. So let me draw these quick and fast. Now I could go without makeup, but I cannot leave these two bad boys home. Like, I don't know what I used to do before I started filling in my brows. Like, how we made it. I need y'all to tell me, females, how did we make it before we started filling in our brows? Oh my goodness. So let's do this quick. So guys, like I said, I'm just killing some time drawing in my brows. Don't mind me, I'm not going anywhere. But to complete the look, I need to have these brows. They need to be fixed, okay? I started using the protein treatments after watching the Curly Twins. That's Kendra, and I cannot remember the other sister's name. Oh my God, forgive me. But I know one of the, is it? No, anyways, I'm not gonna even do that. Yeah, but I started watching them, and I learned about, the whole protein treatments through them, because one of the sisters had basically heat damage, the same as what I had, and her curls are now looking much better. And I started to use it when I first bleached my hair, which would have been about 2 years ago, and it did the same for me. I also grew my hair out very long. I'll post a picture of that as well. And yeah, so now I'm back at using it again because I have some heat damage. But anyways, we'll get into that once I unravel and show you my hair. So let's go, guys. We're gonna go over to the couch for this segment. Okay guys, I'm back. So like I said, I would reveal it once I was back on camera with you guys, just to show you how defined my curls are. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see. Oof, y'all see those curls? Oh my God. Ooh. So guys, this product itself really saved my curls. As you can see, they are so defined. I do have some heat damage right here at the very end, but my curls are so defined. They love this product. So I'm gonna style right here with you guys. I'm using one of my holy grails and favorites. It's the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. So I'm gonna apply this as my leave-in. Put that straight through my hair. I'm gonna add some more to the next side. Oh, I don't know, but you guys, my part never leaves me. It never leaves me. We're gonna do a side part today for this look. So I'm going to make sure the product is applied all around my hair. Not necessarily from root to tip, but I just want to make sure that it covers as much as possible. Because I want the natural curl pattern to shine in this tutorial today, okay? If I wanted more defined curls, I could have applied a gel or, any one of those other curly custards, but I want my natural curl pattern to shine through. Okay, a little bit of edge control along my edges and right along the pat line. One moment, let's accessorize this. So guys, this is the finished look. Like I said, it's all about simple natural hair care. As you can see, this is my natural curl pattern, and that's just because my hair is damaged at the moment. But if I had used a gel or any other styler, the curls would have been more defined. But I like this, and my hair is still clean, it's still light. I'll show you a few other styles I like to do quickly in this one video. As you can see right here, I'm taking just a portion of that ponytail and wrapping that around my scrunchie or hair tie or rubber band, whatever you decide to put at the end of your hair. Now, same exact style, the only difference is I'm going to braid or twist the end of my ponytail. Okay? And there you have it. It's a complete look. It's just as chic and sleek as the first one. And my final and favorite look is this sleek low bun. I used to wear this in school a lot, and I love to wear this at work. This is my go-to. What I love about natural hair is it can be so versatile. You can do so many things with it so quickly, sometimes just with one product. And the only thing I used today for this whole video was my Camille Rose Moisture Milk, and then my edge control, my Ebin edge control. That was it. You don't have to weigh your hair down with so much products. That's how product buildup happens. I mean, it's bound to happen, but that's how it normally happens. But you don't need it to happen so quickly in just one hair routine. Now I can see by the end of the week you needing, to wash out all the products you would have used to style your hair. But within the first 1 to 2 days of the week, there's no need to use so much products, guys. So let's try to keep it simple. Let's try to keep it natural, and let's just make it easy. Natural hair is supposed to be easy. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys. I can't wait until our next video. I have a few products that I've ordered that I can't wait to just show you guys and to review with you guys. So, see you next time.